And even if my sun don't shine, everything is fine. And even if my one desire leaves it all behind, it's fine. And even if my sun don't shine, that will leave me to harness in the light that is inside. I've been meaning to part with the facade. I've been dreaming of her, it's sorta odd, cause I've been meaning to sort what's on my mind. If I could dip within Egyptian pools to escape the grip of all these devastating fools, I'd take the trip, but the flip of a coin is nothing to it. I think we read it wrong, I guess that's why we went and blew it. The grass is green and there's a dream inside the bottle's fluid. I take a sip, the purple hits me and I'm living lucid. The sky is pink, I cannot think, I think I'm getting stupid. I reminisce to days of orange peels and letting Cupid determine whether or not to pull the arrow back and shoot it. A simpler time for a simpler movement. Have fun, don't worry, words I'm still using. Take time, don't hurry, you can truly do it even if my sun don't shine. Everything is fine. And even if my one desire leaves it all behind, it's fine. And even if my sun don't shine, everything is fine. And even if my one desire leaves it all behind.
I beat it! I beat it!